Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy a house in Barry's Avenue RP. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go to the search bar on the top right, and underneath experiences just type in Barry. So I think you can just go with Barry and then it'll come up. Yeah, Barry Avenue RP. And basically the only way to buy a house is you will need a mouse so you can plug it into your console, because of the reason I'm about to tell you. It's kind of a stupid reason, but it's not really up to us, it's the game developers. But you can't access, even when you use tab, you cannot access these four. You can only access these three for some reason. I don't know why, it's kind of weird, but yeah. So the only way to access those four sections to either buy a house, a vehicle, whatever item, your avatar, is going to be to get a mouse. So you're gonna get a mouse if you have one laying around. You're gonna connect it into your console. You're gonna once you're in Barry Avenue RP and you have the mouse connected, just simply right click the mouse and then the cursor should pop up, and then you can go ahead and click on vehicles or house. If you want to buy a house, just click on house over there. Just click on house, and then yeah, you can buy from there. But yeah, that is as of right now the only way to buy a house or anything else in Barry Avenue RP. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.